जों tini सकपायखा guarantee news.
Jatana khulum kan video nai tam yang no tini hai na hai kaisa Karnataka wo nan Karnataka ini kaisa program sengdang nai tam aro sunan we kaisa ke songta bung kai sok ka hotel lo han logo tongu dara dinesh kai ka ilo ngungana bos kango tak song bijung habi to gen jo sapule ja tini meeting na bagoi nai tam wedi bijung sok ka ja program me phamane
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೌಶಿ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕೌಶಿ ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. Congratulations sir. ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಮಂತಾಜಿ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವರು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡ್ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ 2025 ಗೆ ಭಾಜನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Chini TPF masa mangata sambal itu. So, sung kaham pajak kaham nong nai.
Dia jangan pano tong hasakan itu jangan recognitions manu.
Barno kaham pajak thani. Haimia pajak nai 6 mas tongai bodnam tak lagi. Sida kok.
Berarti khardi. एकदम नरक I can reward सकन
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
Ratna hambai program pe kata bu mai sau ya ko ne chung ko be okhla tung program hambai mangkha boke hari jaka angni jibu hambai jatono je ani video nai tong nai rok jatono Chini TPF rok no khabai hambai maya faro 좀 단사가 동의 시티니 숙자라 판노 파여송 숙래 버럼 로자고 미지 버럼 감플라이네 너로 저토노 एकलो नबसकांग सपोर्टलाइ तंगदे नाइ तंगदे आन चैनल न सब्सक्राइब ता फकदे जतनो न हमबाय तिनिनि जे प्रोग्राम फाइमाने सक्सेसफुल अंखा नरं हमजामो नरंनि सपोर्ट बायां एकदम तंथुजागां sorry, Pegisa. Sini boss fight ang boss na cocktail mas.
खुलुम का
Namaskar. Mr. Verma, Director and Founder of Tripurasa People Foundation. Today we are here and been invited by Nanu Kannadiga, which means I am Kannadiga, for tomorrow's Karnataka Rajya Utsav celebration and an introduction to those people from outside of Karnataka who has been doing a good business or staying connected with the Kannadigas and helping each other. They have called us to give us a recognition. I'm very thankful to be here with the Nannu Kannadiga team. Thank you very much for inviting us, and special thanks to Guarantee News. Guarantee News is the one who has invited us. Guarantee News TV is the one who has organized this event, and they are the one who invited us and gave us a recognition here. Me as Tripurasa People Foundation Director, Dinesh Verma, he as a ex-president, and he is a Vice President of Tripurasa People Foundation. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank got this one also.
Thank you, boss. Kannagadi.
जों tini सकपायखा Nanu Kannadiga ani kaisa programo. It means I am Kannadiga. Kanangkha boroni Karnataka Rajya Utsav 1st November. Hani bagai tini borok je oino state ni Europe hayei tongnai rok no borok appreciation ranani bagai felicitation ranani bagai borok singno boringkha je at least 15 years ni sai kasam. So je 15 years ni sai kasam जे बेंगलोर तंगनाय रक बा अरो जे डेवलपमेंट खाय जे बिजनेस खाय तंगनाय रक borok no borok appreciation rani bagai Karnataka ni tiyei borok appreciation rani bagai jotto state most of the state je sinijak no ringai tinio jaga recognition
যে সিনিয়র 15-20 বছর তংনাই রক কর্ণাটক
haine bagai hambai thanks to the Nanu Kannadiga team for inviting us. I'm very happy to be part of this and been invited for this event to be and also been
Nanu
introduced
Kannadiga, yeah.
as Nanu Kannadiga.
जोंनिबो मानजाक appreciation जोंना हामजाक मरो खाबरो बिनिखौ होइनाय जता हामका गाहाम थांका जतना खुलुमका एकन नाय तंनि सापर्ट लाय जोना नर साउथ बाय सुंते बसकाना थांनाय
Thank you.
हामबाय